Greetings nerds, we have another box opening video for you today. The Shadow Era Call of the Crystals. Just take a look at the different sides of the box. This is from 2012. Picked this up on eBay for pretty cheap and actually have started playing it a lot and really enjoy it. They have a free app, shadowera.com I think it is. You can play the game. And I have my boy, he is going to help me today. We have our matching pocket knives that we got on our vacation. So, alright, go ahead and you know what to do. Just be careful. It's okay, don't worry about the box. Just
first time.
no, you're fine. That's good enough. So this game is definitely unlike Magic and Pokemon. Here's the advertisement for their online game, shadowera.com. And it's a hero versus hero game, which seems to be a trend now, and maybe was a little ahead of its time back when it came out. So here is the pack, 15 cards. And here's all the boilerplate on the back. Wulven Studios, which from what I've read online seem to have a jaded track record, but you know what, I enjoy the game, and it's from a long time ago. Well, not that long, but you know what I mean. So let's open these up. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 commons, and they don't have any kind of symbol on the bottom. You can see the crystals, the name of this set, and the uncommons with the U, and rare with the R down at the bottom. And here is a hero with the H, because you start with a hero in play. That's basically your avatar. And you use allies, aka creatures, to battle the other hero, and different spells and items. And they come with codes, which this is not going to be valid because I'm going to use it right away. And it gives you crystals for the online game, basically getting you booster packs. And one of the things I find interesting about this game is, you know, you start with your hand 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 6 cards with your hero out here, and each turn any of your cards can turn into a resource. Basically you discard it on 1 a turn, and I've got 1 resource, you know, basically like 1 mana, second turn, etc. But you don't have to. You can skip that, and then you have the casting cost here, and you're going to use 2 of them, etc. to battle, and the creatures don't heal at the end of each turn, which is great. Go ahead, dude. I will separate the rares, and there's the chaff. There you go. 1, 2, 3. Bloodstone Altar, Bazaar, Deathbone, Into the Forest, Regeneration, Sliver of, and they have some different but cool art, very gothic, and some of the flavor text is quite interesting. The twice enchanted robe says, but what if someone makes a thrice enchanted robe? So some of them have little dad jokes in there, which is why I love them. Alright, so you can hold them up. Yeah, go ahead. Enrage, Pack Wolf, Keldor, Now You're Mine, Warrior Training, Medusil, Old Iron Dagger, Shadow Knight, that's a cool page, and the rare, well, that's an E for Epic, so it's the Fangs of the Predator, and we'll put that here, and that's your hero. And then I'll take the code card, I'll put those face down so people don't steal my codes here. Common knowledge, conversion, shadow spawn, special delivery. I'm going through these ones rather quickly because I've already opened a couple booster boxes off camera and got a complete set of the first set and the expansion. Here is one of your heroes, which there's, you know, they have their life total on there, and then the, well, as I, no, go ahead.
Right.
Yeah, just open them up. We're looking for the foils. Those are the, and I think they do a great job with the foils. There's 5 per box I've found. And Wrath of the Forest, so we're gonna look for the R at the bottom. It's gonna be towards the end of the pack. The first 9 are common, so they don't have anything. And a foil, no foil, I should say.
You got an uncommon right here, Rampage. Uncommon, uncommon.
There you go.
This one is an epic.
Got an E on there?
Yep.
Nice. We'll put those here. And let's take this, because you got the first.
This is our hero.
Yep, and then you got the first foil that we've got this box. Yeah, the heroes we can just put here. I have all of them. No, let's wait. Let's see that foil. These are the ones we're looking for, dude. See that metallic foil there? This is Ankle Breaker, and I really like their foiling. I don't know if it's called a reverse foil officially or what, but it really helps them pop, especially the items, since they have a lot of background. So we'll put the foils here. I'm coming. Go ahead and grab another pack. Rare Berserker's Edge. Helps you. And your heroes can attack too, not just their allies or minions. There's my hero, and here is, oh, I don't have this foil. Olgoth the Glutton. So that's a pretty cool looking one. And uniques, you can only have 1 out at a time.
Shield Bash. Good. Ascendant. As long as possible. Let's try and make it fun.
There we go. Retreat, Full Moon. That's a cool werewolf, rapid fire. And
Energy.
and there's a rare Nova Infusion. That would be a cool foil if we could get that one.
This is our hero.
And we'll take the heroes just put there. Bloodstone Altar. Pain is inevitable. Suffering is optional. Go ahead and grab another pack. We got the lightning from the storm. Urgent business. Even heroes have to do paperwork. War Banner charge, conversion. This is one of the cards I play with the most, because on your turn you get extra attack. Bloodlust, I have a thirst that cannot be quenched. There's a little gothic spice in some of these. Night Prowler. And there goes there, just chaff there.
These are uncommons. Here is what we are looking for.
Thank you. So our rare, this the hero we don't worry about. Alright, nice. So we have Legion United. That's a cool piece of art. Holy Shield. Special delivery. Just sign here. Extra sharp. Remember, the pointy end goes that way. So there's some great little dad joke humor. The wolf is quicker than the eye. Oh, clinging webs. Now that's what I call a sticky situation. Blah, 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 blah. Fireball, Keldor, Infernal Gargoyle. Plate armor. Lily Rose Cult. Oh, keep your eye on those twins. Get it?
Another full moon.
Wooden staff. Oh, that's cool. Ghost Maker is the rare. Moonstalker is a cool hero.
Here is our rare. Mocking armor.
Okay. Nice. You can just put that one here.
Cool.
And
you
already did. Thank you.
Here's our hero. Just in case.
And that's the hero that I actually play with. Reconnaissance, campfire story, rain delay, rain, go away. I definitely, if you like CCGs, recommend ShadowEra.com because it's free and it doesn't hit you with advertisements or anything constantly like other games. And you can buy crystals if you want to get booster packs, but for $5 you can get an entire booster box on eBay, and each pack comes with a code. So I've gotten, I don't know, hundreds of cards for basically free on the app. Another twice enchanted robe, and I'll put my code here. Yes. And they still have tournaments online and even like a world championship, which was surprising, but it's a pretty rabid fan base that you'll see on their website and their message boards. Shadow Spawn.
This one I think is a pretty good one. Getting a peek at these, just getting a peek.
Oh, that's
Coming up
cool.
with their uncommons.
Epic. Soul Seeker.
Alright,
That's your rare golden Qatar. Oop, I got a foil in this pack.
Me too. This is our hero.
Oh, nice. Alright. Alright. Oh, just throw that over there. Alright, my foil here is Gravedigger's Cloak. And what's your foil?
My foil is
Leyline Nexus. Nice. These are... See, I mean, this is just, I think, a really cool...
Yeah, I think this is a really cool set.
Foil. Yeah. Especially, I mean, if you compare them to my last video, the foils in Alpha Clash were beautiful, but very, I don't know, plasticky. Now, the quality of these cards is not as good. They're not as thick. They still have that same smell. They're made in Belgium instead of China. So, but, you know, you would think better cardstock, but obviously not. I mean, what's your rare? And Gravedigger's Cloak. Hey, look at that.
Alright, so passing
Oh, that was your... Oh no, sorry. Thought you were already at your rare.
This is our rare.
Wizened Staff. Nice. Alright, yep. And some of the, I mean, the artwork is very, I don't know, I'd call it almost anime-esque.
Our hero. Just in case you guys didn't see, this is the
rare.
It's our rare.
Nice. Well, actually, I'll throw these over here. Is that your rare? Go ahead and throw them in the pack. Belladonna. Beautiful but dangerous. Cover nice, match of low shot.
Just like Cardi.
Catherine the Shield Maiden, and it says there was a sudden increase of troops needing shielding because she's a voluptuous woman. See, spicy. Okay, Dark Flare, another Mocking Armor, and they definitely have a lot of different styles of heroes: the humans, the shadow elementals, the monsters, etc.
There's a lot of these monsters in here.
Now those are common nets. Yeah, you're gonna get these. So I've had packs where I've gotten two of the exact same card, but I've also got that with magic, so I'm not surprised.
Here is our rare. We got the uprooted tree.
Okay.
Just gonna place this right here.
Yep. And I probably opened 100, 150 packs of this set altogether, and I'm surprised I've only got one complete set, I believe. And the quality of the cards, there aren't any offcuts or double printings or anything like that, which is odd because even Lord of the Rings for the Magic, I've gotten numerous cards that are, you know, looks like they've been double stamped or the ink's kind of smeared. And but you know, Wizards I think is kind of notorious right now for the quality.
These right here.
Yeah, that's. Well, I'll just move these.
All right.
All right, and oh, I got another foil here. Golden Qatar. Nice.
Good one.
And then you see it doesn't lose durability, and the durability is every time an item's used, you know, that number in the corner goes down, and then it basically it's discarded, it's destroyed or used up. All right.
Down to the last pack, guys.
Yep, last pack. So, inner strength, urgent business, resurrection. Fire snake. I hate fighting these guys. Alright, what's your rare?
And here's our
Where's that epic?
We got
Okay.
that epic today.
Winston. Oh, I got an epic too.
Hard one.
Olgoth the Glutton. And I got Armor of Ages, so nice way to end on a couple of epics. And we'll throw that there. Yep, just right here. And alright, so there we have it.
Folks.
We have Shadow Era. I definitely recommend this one. It's a lot of fun to play, and especially since it's so cheap. And you can easily have a draft night with some friends for less than 30 bucks and get a couple boxes on eBay and just have a lot of fun. And a game that needs to get some love. So anyway, alright, thank you, dude, for helping. I appreciate that. And well, here at Motor City Games, we want to say thank you for watching, and I hope you all have a great night.